Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Thank the Honourable Member for his question. In fact, Mr. Speaker, this issue is not a new issue. It's not just been discussed at the recent Economic Ministers meeting. Personally, I have been talking about regional economic integration. Regional economic integration, say, means access to the forum member countries in terms of realizing the full benefits of not only trade relationships but investment relationships and the ease with which people from within the forum island countries can travel to each other's countries. But for the first time, Mr. Speaker, this issue was put on the agenda, if I may say, or as part of the discussion at the Forum Economic Ministers meeting. And in fact, Mr. Speaker, for the first time, the draft outcome, which has been finalized, the ministers noted that there was a strong desire for visa-free travel within the PIF member countries. The ministers also were concerned about how we have talked about regional integration for many years, yet there are a lot of barriers that exist. With respect to visa-free travel to Australia and New Zealand, that's obviously part of the overall agenda of free movement of people, goods and services, investment provisions within the different countries. So, Mr. Speaker, the call for visa-free travel is in that context. But visa-free travel does not mean, say, that people can just buy a ticket and get to Australia, New Zealand and go and live there illegally, sorry. It's not that. A lot of our people have great difficulty not only getting visa to Australia, New Zealand, but also to travel to some of the Pacific Island countries. And so I think it's a good discussion that the Economic Ministers meeting had, and I think that's something that we will pursue further. Thank you, sir.